Hey there guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. So in this video, I'm gonna show you how to make this amazing goals infographic in PowerPoint. So tag along and watch the video till end. Don't forget to subscribe the video, subscribe to the channel and like the video. And also hit the bell icon. You can download this template for free from the link in the description. I have also pinned the comment with the link. So go to insert tab and insert a small circle. So I'm gonna change its length and height to 1 centimeter. Let's use eyedropper to change its color to dark gray. We're gonna go to insert tab and insert this donut shape. And we're gonna reduce its inside radius. And let's use eyedropper to give it some light gray color, duplicate it and duplicate it again, and you're gonna increase that duplicated donut size, and you're gonna adjust it into the middle. There you go. Now increase the size, duplicate it again, increase the size of the duplicated shape as well. There you go. Duplicate it about like fourth time and increase its size and select all of them and press Ctrl G to group them. Move them onto the above right corner and adjust that. Let's put it right here. Now ungroup it by pressing Ctrl Shift and G. Go to Insert tab and insert a line. Change its width and change its color. I'm going to change its color to lilac. Let's insert this rhombus shape. We're gonna like adjust it and make it more rotating, like more leaning shape. So we're gonna select both and duplicate it, and we're gonna select both and rotate them and put them right like this, and then group them by pressing Ctrl G. Let's decrease its size, both height and length, and let's place it onto the line, not on this side but onto the left side, because this is going to be as arrow. Now I'm gonna change this color similar to the line. Let's group it and let's rotate it and send it to the back and place it right here onto the target board. Now we're gonna duplicate it, change its outline and the color using eyedropper, and I'm gonna use this like color palette, and let's send it to the back and do it again. And there you go, duplicate it again, rotate that shape, change its color, outline and fill both. Let's send it to the back and let's adjust it by rotating a little bit. And let's duplicate it again, change its fill, change its outline. And there you go, let's send it to the back and place it right here. Let's rotate it a little bit. And it's our like our goal board and target board is complete. Now insert a text box for the header in which I'm going to write goals infographic, and I'm going to select it, change its color to pink, increase its size a lot much bigger, and change its font to Aharani font, and I'm also gonna bold it. So insert another text box to like write the content and the body and subtitle or whatever you want to write. So I'm gonna change the color to pink as well, and let's place it right here. So this template is all set. So we're gonna insert a new slide after adjusting the text. Now in this slide, what we're gonna do is like paste this same header right here. Let me just adjust it into the center, onto the top of the template, and I'm gonna like copy the palette and paste it onto the second template. Go to shapes and insert a rounded corner rectangle, remove its fill, give it outline using the same color palette, duplicate it, place it right next to by side, and change its color as well, change its outline, and you're gonna do it about 4 times by duplicating them, select them, and like increase their width and put them and arrange them, align them horizontally and both vertically as well. And there you go. We're gonna select about three of these circles and we're gonna like group them, decrease their size, and put them onto the middle and the center top of this rounded corner line. And we're gonna like copy the same arrow and we're gonna decrease its size, something like this. And we're gonna put it onto the target board and send it to the back. Select both the target board and the like the shape arrow. You're gonna change this color and both outline, group them and duplicate them and place them onto the second shape. And similarly, you're gonna change the color of both the outline and the shape of the second shape. Now what you're gonna do is duplicate it a third time, place it onto the third rectangle, change this outline and fill both. Duplicate it a fourth time and place it onto the fourth rectangle, change this color to pink, both outline and fill. So I'm gonna like copy the text from here and there you go. Let me just paste it right here and let me just adjust it into the middle and the center of the rounded cornered rectangle that it fits perfectly. So what I'm gonna do is like change the body text color to black, but for the headers I'm gonna use the same color as of the shapes and the target boards and the goal arrows. Let me just use my color palette. Now select these shapes and give them fly in animation. And you're gonna select each of them and you're gonna go to this appear option and you're gonna click on after previous option. And you're gonna give the arrows the same animation of flying but different directions. And as like this, you're gonna complete your animations. And for each arrow we're gonna see the right angle and we're also gonna set it to after previous, to start after the previous. So I have given animations to all the arrows. Yeah, so it'll look something like this. And we're gonna select the text and give the same animation, but we're gonna change the the direction. Let's go to second template and give the same animation, but we're gonna change the direction that the title comes from top. And for these shapes we're gonna select them all along with the text and we're gonna give them the same animation of flying, but we're gonna click on after previous option and this is one of the previews. So let's just select the rectangle and give them this uh, bars option of animation. Select both the templates and give them more transition. So this is the final result and that was all for today in this video. If you like the video, be sure to hit the bell icon and subscribe my channel. And don't forget to get this template for free from the link in the description. And if you want more templates like this, you can check out my Patreon, which have the entire content for free.